How's it guys? Kyle here from KJD Photography. I hope you're all doing well. So this morning I ran through to Godox SA's head office and picked up a couple of things, and I just wanted to go through what I did pick up from there. So the ML-CD15, so I picked up one of these. I'm going to be shooting at events and stuff like that. I've also want to try it out on something in studio as well. But these are quite handy. Let's open up the box. So what we have in the box is a couple of mounts. So this one basically is the standard Godox mount with the three little tabs there. Okay. Then we have one for your V1 or your 8100s there. And then we have another one which is actually on. So literally, if you can see the one on the back here, this one is for your speed lights, which you then just turn and it grips your speed light in there. So you can fold it out just as a dome, or you can bring it out as a full ball. So literally, it's a nice diffuser, gives nice even light, a nice spread of light, having this on top of your flash. So that was number one. So these are actually quite handy, especially if you do a lot of functions, if you do weddings and stuff like that, then you can look at the ML-CD15s as a diffuser on top of your flash and go from there. Another thing I also picked up was the some more Gobos. Got the one with the star projection on there. You've got this one which is almost like a Star of Bethlehem or something there. Another one which has got almost like a patterned wheel. And you've got one that looks like tree blossoms. And there's another one there which is also stars but smaller and more detailed. And then you have your slit. So these ones I picked up. I have the SA-09-004s that when I got the projection unit, I got those ones. This is the SA-09-003 set of Gobos. So these are going to come in handy for some stuff I've got lined up. And then we've got this box here, which is our AD R12. So literally this is a deep reflector. Box out of the way. So this is a deep reflector that you can put on. It's got a Godox mount on the back and literally goes on to your 8400 or 8300s. So these are going to use on a model shoot with just the actual reflector. So that was the things I picked up this morning. If you are keen to look at the ML-CD15, then you can go to godox.co.za. Go and look it up. It's good value for money, especially if you're doing a lot of events and stuff. And you can use my code, which I'll put up on the screen here, which will be Godox Gold D. You can get hold of that
and get this little package together. And then if you do have a projection unit, the SAP and the SA-17 and the SA-10 Gobo holder, you can get these ones, which is the SA-09-003. Okay, so that's the ones with all like the stars and stuff in it. The 004 is actually the one with the window shapes in it. And then we have our deep reflectors. So literally for a Godox mounted light. So we can actually put this on the 8400s and the 8300 Pros, and that should be quite interesting to use on a model shoot. So I think that's about it. So that's the stuff I picked up today. And yeah, go on to godox.co.za, have a look what they've got. And as I said, if you do purchase anything there, use my code GodoxCarlD, get yourself a nice discount. And yeah, happy shooting. See you soon.